cockpit became a pressure cooker of tension as the pilots struggled to navigate the treacherous skies. At around 10 pm, just 2 miles from the runway, the unthinkable happened. January 7, 1994. United Express Flight 6291 was on a routine journey from Washington Dulles to Port Columbus. The journey turned into a desperate fight for survival. 8 souls on board, unaware of the horror that awaited them, were about to face the ultimate test of human endurance. As the British Aerospace Jetstream 41 lifted off into the icy darkness, the crew and passengers were oblivious to the impending doom. But as the plane descended into Columbus, the weather transformed into a malevolent force, threatening to consume them all. Low visibility, snow, and freezing temperatures created a perfect storm of chaos. The cockpit became a pressure cooker of tension as the pilots struggled to navigate the treacherous skies. The aircraft de-icing system was activated, but a critical mistake had already been made. Airspeed had dropped to a perilous level unnoticed by the crew. At 9:47 pm, just 2 miles from the runway, the unthinkable happened. The Jetstream 41 stalled, sending the plane into a heart-stopping plummet. The pilots' desperate attempt to regain control were futile. The aircraft crashed into a commercial building, erupting into a fiery inferno that would claim 5 lives. The investigation that followed exposed a chilling list of human error, pilot fatigue, and inadequate training. The cockpit voice recorder revealed a haunting narrative of confusion and miscommunication in the final moments. But from the ashes of tragedy, a new era of aviation safety was born. The lessons learned from United Express Flight 6291 have saved countless lives, driving improvement in training, regulations, and technology. Remember, in the skies, complacency can be a deadly foe. Vigilance, communication, and training are the guardians of safety. Let the story of Flight 6291 be a stopping reminder of the importance of these principles.